Did you know a Chinese scholar spent decades trying to build the impossible? A typewriter for a language with over 40,000 symbols, Lin Yutang faced a problem that seemed unsolvable. How do you fit an entire universe of meaning into a mechanical box? While struggling with springs and keys in 1940s America, he discovered something profound. Life, like his typewriter, works best when you simplify without losing what matters. He called it intelligent hedonism. Enjoy simple pleasures while keeping your mind sharp. Think about it. We complicate everything. Our schedules, our goals, our relationships. But Yutang learned that true wisdom isn't about doing more. It's about doing what counts. He combined Eastern mindfulness with Western action, Confucian ethics with Taoist flow. His book, The Importance of Living, taught millions that productivity and peace aren't enemies. They're partners. You don't have to choose between success and serenity, between achievement and enjoyment. The key is integration, not separation. Sometimes the most complex problems need the simplest solutions. What would happen if you stopped overcomplicating your life and started enjoying it instead?